This channel is sponsored by Creality. Creality has all of your 3D tools that you need to bring your ideas to life. Scanners, printers, and even engravers. And there's very cool things that you can make with them, such as a little boat, a vase, or vase, a little supercar, a full-size supercar. Start your journey at Creality.com. Okay guys, well, I've got this all mocked up. So we've got basically a transmission cross member here. I've got it tied into the frame up here. We'll tie it into the frame over here. It's all boxed in to give it some strength because we have a thin area here. But remember, this is for torque, so this should be okay. It basically is going to be just holding up the weight of the transmission or the tail end of the transmission, and then have to support some torque. So we may actually tie it into here by putting a piece across here and then bolting that in so that we have some support from the main casting that's behind here. So that's where we're at on that. Okay, so I've got both doors open and I've already noticed something odd. So with this shock, we're at 20 7/8 in the length, and that lifts the door up just about right. But over here, if I put that shock in, we're like almost 1 3/4 inches off. And when I put the door exactly where it's supposed to be, I can tell that this hinge right here, it's mounted at an angle and it's about 7 degrees off. So I'm gonna have to shim it out, which is not surprising. I mean, I got this pretty much in the right place, but as you can see, it's not perfectly flat here that it's mounting to. So that has to come out. So we'll do that, and hopefully that'll fix our little issue. Doing the calculations, it pretty much should. So I'm hopeful. But that's it on the doors. So yeah, I think they're looking pretty good. But I wanted to get it on the ground to evaluate them. And not only that, I think they're pretty darn close. And I think as we bring this one out a little bit, that is going to make it even better. So you guys let me know what you think. Now, some of you eagle-eyed viewers will notice that there's actually seats in the car, and I got these for Christmas. So they're not fancy seats, They're some interesting brand, but they seem like they're in pretty good shape. They're not real leather, of course. It's faux leather. But I think for the meantime, just to have seats in the car, these are going to suit us pretty well. And they've got the yellow in them, which the car is going to have yellow accents. So luckily it's not too bad. The whole seats aren't yellow. They just have accents. So let me know what you guys think. Eventually, I'm sure these seats will wear out, but they're the same kind of seats that I have in the Aventador, and I actually love them. They're really comfortable. So I can't complain too much, but they may fall apart after a couple of years, but that'll give me time to get some real leather seats in there. Yeah, from this side it looks pretty cool. Really I love vertical doors. What can I say? Since we got that one over there. So yeah, I think those are we're getting close. I did actually have a problem with that bearing. That bearing worked loose again, and as somebody said in the comments, and that I'm aware of on the Aventador, that if those bearings aren't under constant pressure from the drive shafts being bolted, they can work loose, and this one did. So what I did was I kind of came in here with a bolt and a shim on the back, and then tighten those up so that there's effectively like a drive shaft through there, putting tension on it so that that bearing won't wobble. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. The other side is not loose, but I'll still give it that support that it needs so it doesn't work loose under the load. Guys, that's going to do it for today. Little quick video, kind of supplement the last one. It's nice that we got the transmission mount mocked up. It still needs some reinforcement, and I still need to get to weld the cross member for the fuel tank. As you guys saw my crappy welding, I actually figured it out, and you could see the welds on the cross beam member for the transmission was much better. Basically I was running too much heat, so I'm going to dial that back, and then we're going to take another attempt at this once I get it back on the lift. Anyway, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, helps us with the algorithm, and hit that notification bell so you can see when we come out with a new video. Anyway, take care. We'll see you later. Bye.